Hello everybody, Jared back again, and welcome to another episode of Software Inc. Macrosoft Edition. Alright guys, let's just jump into it. And we're just going to hit play in the background so they're actually doing something while we chat. Okay, a few things. Thank you very much for all the comments, particularly in the last video. I got a few nice comments. One of them being from Vagiles Pastrias. I don't know if that's how I'm pronouncing your name right, dude, but you want to be in the game, and I think that is a great plan. Let's get you in here as who do I want to put you in there as? It's getting to a point where I'm forgetting if who is who. I know Jake the Sake is here, Saul Allen, Anrex. I don't think that. Let's see here. When were these people brought in? Vacation. Now I want to see who's been here the longest. You know what? I'm going to be building some new teams. I'm gonna make you the boss of a new team. So I am gonna make you a boss, dude. Don't worry, you're gonna be on the game, but I'm gonna put you in there in a second. Other things to note from Rambrand Cool. He made an awesome suggestion that I start a distribution server. And I have these servers down here that I've just been using as my SCM server. So just like the backlog of what are the words I'm looking for? Saving all of the information for our projects, but I can use them as a distribution server as well because we were only using about 6%. So I've actually already done this. I've gone along and I've made this top line here, although I kind of want this one to be a different server because it's actually part of the other one. It's part of SCM. I don't want it part of that. Can I swap it to a different server just by going in here? I guess it doesn't particularly matter. No, you know what? It doesn't matter. So I just have this top line and apparently this random one as the SCM, and it's only using 20% of that load. So we have a lot of room there. And then I've moved everything else over to the digital distribution, which means we can open up ourselves a digital distribution platform. So I want to do that. Yes. I want to do it on digital distribution. And that means that both we can put our own products on that digital distribution place, and we can accept deals for digital distribution. So that would be in hosting, not printing, hosting. So I can host these guys, such as OS and stuff like that, on my digital distribution thing. Make sense? I think so. You know what? We actually have enough room to do all of these anyway. So why don't we just take all of them? Or we're going to see if we can. They're only for a small amount of time anyway. We're going to be getting a decent amount of money. So let's just accept them all. That's going to be all going on here. We have digital distribution and then all of that sitting there. That should all be fine. All right, so there was the one note. Let's close everything else here and get ourselves back up. The other note was from Sports Soul Life, which made a good point about me when I created a new software, having myself at the right tech level. I think, yes, so it is naturally always at the highest tech level, although it might not be if I am using a framework. So I may have been using older tech levels on my last few products. I'm not too sure. We're going to have to make sure that is correct next time we create a product. Because I do believe if you make a framework of an older tech level, it'll keep it at that older tech level, which is not great. All right. We have other things to do here. I want to do some building. We are doing a bunch of stuff here, but I want to speed up the process of all of these designing and programming by having dedicated teams. And I also want to create a cantina. So what that means is we need to add more levels to our building here, guys. So heading into the building zone, let's make a second story. Now what I've done is, just before I started here, is I copied these buildings. And the way you do that is if you go into the building, you can hit select entire building floor. And then you can go to this blueprints area and save select rooms. I've already done it. So I have the X floor plint and the X building roof, which means I can delete this building, this floor, sorry. So delete you. And then we're going to go in here and we are going to build a print and drop this down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1, 2. I believe that's all I'm going to do. Do I want to do a fourth one? I'm thinking. I think I'm just going to do 3. If we need to do another building, we will expand to another area because there are other Macrosoft or in the real world Microsoft buildings that I kind of want to rip off. But the standard building that we're actually manipulating, I'll throw up an image right here. It only has the three stories. So we're gonna leave it at 3 stories. Hopefully it has 3 stories, but I only have 2. I'm pretty sure it has 3. All right. So and one more story up. We need to get down the roof again. Build roof, build. Let's make sure we're plopping in the right place. Should I be in the top down? I think that it is just like that anyway. All right, let's throw that down. It's saying, what are you saying? Not connected from to the outside from the stairs. It should be from the elevator though, right? I believe that to be the truth. But there is no stairs here, which is interesting. Did I not have stairs in this one? Oh, I guess I didn't put stairs in. Very weird. Well, let's just put some stairs in, I guess. Oh, because it would have been stairs up and then stairs up the other way. I understand. I gotcha. Blah. That would be this. And it looks like we were doing... Okay, so I only went down on the other one. Oh, I just added elevators for everything else. I now understand. All right, let's make it so that it's there. And then I guess we want... this one over here. Okay, and then up a level. And then I'll do you and you, just to make it a little bit different. And then another level up. I can't do that. I guess it's just the elevator for the last story. And it seems like my elevators are not synced. Are they not synced? They should be. Well, I guess I have to move the entire building over just a little bit. Select entire building floor. Can I move the entire building floor? I guess not. Well, I guess that means... Roof, build. Did I make it lined up like that? I guess I did. Okay, sure. Why not? Do I have the ability... Okay, yeah, I see what you guys are saying about these. Go away. I don't care about that. It's telling me that I have doors here when I don't need to. There we go. And then one more story up. We're going to see if you there and you... Okay, that did work. Perfect. Okay, we do actually have availability of stairs. Cool. Now, we've got ourselves a pretty decent sized building that looks pretty sick. Love to see it. All right, last thing I want to do is I actually want to get myself a cantina over here. I'm also seeing this giant empty building over here, which we probably want to fix. I think we're going to fix it over here first, though. Although I do kind of enjoy the... Nah, I want windows here. I want windows. Can't stop me. All right, let's throw in one right here. I don't know if that's even or not. I don't think it is. Let's just get rid of it for a second. That's just going to go right dead center, isn't it? Okay. And then up one. Dead center. Cool. There we go. Looking a bit better. Now, what I'm thinking for our cantina. Do I want one on every level or do I want one only in the middle level? I'm thinking that I only want it in the middle level. Maybe. We'll see how it looks here. So what I'm thinking is something along the lines of this. It's going to make it a little bit different from what the space that we're taking it off of is. But let's try it out. If I were to go out to the same level as that, so 12 by 12. Structure is not supported. Oh, I would have to put a little building down there, wouldn't I? Yeah, I would. Okay. Well, let's go do it, I guess, then. So then this one just needs a little something like that. A little something. Will that be enough? Let's see. All right, and then head back up. I'm not too sure. We're gonna try it. We'll see if that's enough. 12 by 12. Yeah, it is. Cool. And that's just an empty space in there. And then do I want a little angled bit here? Probably. We can probably go all the way out to here. Although, what this is probably going to tell me is that it's not structured. Can I do... or do I just want it like that? Kind of cool just as is. I think I'm just going to leave it... No, I do like the angled front, though. Here are things that I should have thought before I started. Hey, guys. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down. We're going to throw ourselves in a little something like that and that. See if that will give us enough of a jump. That's going to go to there, to there, to there. I mean, that lines it up with the front there. It's a little bit of a different angle. Maybe if I go farther out. All right, let's backtrack a little bit. How about if I go to here and there? Now it's the same. Yeah, that's better. I like that better. Cool. All right, cool. What do we want to do with this guy? All right, we want to put a bunch of windows in, obviously. Windows first. Windows first and foremost. One, let's just do it like this. Why the hell not, right? Can go right to the edge. Let's start there. Like that. All right, and then this is going to be my kitchen. And, ooh, actually, is this perfectly square? It should be actually squared off like this side. Well, I don't care. We're leaving it, guys. We are leaving it. It is what it is. Let's get ourselves in here and make ourselves a kitchen. Where are you, kitchen? Go here, kitchen. All right, stoves. Can I make this angle snap to there? And ooh, maybe it does need to be on a perfect angle then. It does. Okay, fine. We'll fix it. Man, you guys are so mean to me. And by you guys, I mean the game. So if it needs to be a perfect square, what would that mean? That is that at a 45? I think that might be at a 45. Yeah, there's a 45. Fine, I fixed it. There, are you happy with me? Silly game trying to make me feel bad about doing things. Let's line it up to there. Make it even there. I know that it's a little bit weird, but that looks fine. I'm going to leave it as is. Let's go back in and do it properly here. Okay, what I want to do is, you know, let's just make it a standard doorway entrance there. Standard doorway entrance there. Yes. And then put all of the stoves, guys. So many stoves. Interesting that they're doing that. Maybe I'm not going to be too picky about it. What is happening here? What is going on? All right, you know what? There. Now will you let me put it in the right place? All right, 6 stoves. I'm assuming that these will not go in with them. Nope. Will you at least line up with it there? No, you won't. Fine then. We're going to put them along this wall then. Why not? And one more. Yeah, see? And let's throw a bunch of these up here just so that they don't start fires. Oh, refrigerators, that's right. Okay, maybe we need these to be refrigerators instead. Generates food for the cooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably is enough. And then what do these things do? Something to cut their vegetables and meat on. I'm gonna think that. Is that enough? Is that enough? Will you guys move any closer? Okay, you will move a bit closer. Not by much, though. Jeez. How weird is this weird setup? Oh, you know what the problem is? I know what the problem is. I understand, guys. I understand. Let's go to here. There we go. Now it'll all work better. I don't need you guys to yell at me. I figured it out. I figured it out. It's a bit weird, but I'm going to be fine. Let's duplicate it. Let's throw something in there. What is happening with you, buddy? There we go. I bet that is actually just fine. We're gonna call it as is. That's fine. That's gonna be enough. That's our kitchen. Now we need something out here. This is our stove countertop thing. So I could throw these. Man, they're just like not lined up with these stoves at all. They go like that is how they work. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. When it actually fits them properly. Which is not fitting any of them. You know what? We're stopping it. Stop doing it, Jared. It doesn't matter. It's going to work anyway. We're just going to do it as is. All right. Outdoors. No. I want not meetings. Where's my cantina? Break room, commons, canteen. There we go. I'm just going to throw some glass tables in here. Before we do that, can I just bring you guys to this room, please? There we go. It doesn't particularly matter which way this is pointing, but let's do it right anyway. Starting there, 5, 6, like so. Serving trays, like so. I bet you what I can do, just so that there's more places for them to grab it. Let's just do that. 4 serving trays is probably more than enough. Now, let's take a look at tables. Do I just want to do... Well, these have to go outside, don't they? You're a jerk. What kind of tables do I want to do? Just standard round tables? Let's just do round tables. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a line of these. Like so. Throw a bunch of chairs around them, then I can copy and paste, and it'll all be glorious. Probably could have just done all of them first, and then copy and pasted, but apparently I don't think smart like that. I grabbed all of that. Is that everybody? Perfect. Duplicate. One there, and one. Oh, I did move them then down a little bit, didn't I? Yeah, actually, this is better. There. Okay, yeah. So let's actually make this better. All of you guys get moved down one. And all of you guys get moved down one as well. Canteen. Move like so, and we have no way to get in here. That might be a smart thing to do. Let's just do some glass doors there. Yeah, and you know what? I'm actually just going to delete you guys. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And this is the center, which means this whole side over here needs to get moved over by 1. Like that. Cool. There's our canteen. Cool. Let's make this. Why isn't it letting me grab this room? Oh, I don't have any temperature regulation in there either. Let's actually fix that before we do anything else. And put some posters on the wall to make it nice looking. But temperature first. Let's just do these hot and cold plates. Do one there, and then cold. One there. That's probably fine. And you guys can get one of those. That should be fine. And where are my big posters? Actually, they're not question mark. Posters? There you guys are. Let's start with these ones over here. Make it all cool looking in here. Boom. Let's actually start from this side so that it is symmetrical, because I'm not too sure if we're going to be able to get 2 of them in here. Doesn't seem like it's... What if we just did this and that? And then we can move these ones over a little bit. Move to there and move to there. Yeah. Sick. Do I want to do a different floor for in here? I'll probably do a different floor. Can I do just a different floor for just this room? Okay, there we go. Construction material, interior floor. Let's do that. Apply. And let's change the color. Change color of the floor. Make it into kind of a brown. Okay, so there's that. Yeah. A little bit different. A little bit different. It actually doesn't have any lights in it either. Might want to do that. Okay, where are we going to find some lights? Let's just do these standard little lights here. One there. Boom. So this is probably going to solve a bunch of the everybody complaining about not having enough socializing, because they're going to socialize the hell out of this place now that they have somewhere to sit and eat, which is amazing. And I did just see, yeah, stop doing that. I don't want that. I want to be able to limit this room's usage to a canteen. Perfect. And this, no, stop that. Stop that. I just want to limit the usage of this room. Why is it doing that to me? There we go. Limit this room. This is a service. Stop that. Stop that. So my cooks should come in here and cook if I could actually get this room to do what I need it to do. Signed lounge, anyone, leaders, program, services. Okay, I'm assuming that my cooks will actually go there once I manage the staff and hire some cooks. Let's hire 3 cooks and have them coming in at different times here. You're gonna come in at noon. Ooh, actually, we're gonna need to have a few different people coming in at different times. Let's see, maybe one more. You're gonna come in from 2000 until, yes, until midnight. And that might be enough food to get us going. We're gonna see how that works. All right, we got ourselves an award. What do we get an award for? Claim reward for hiring cooks. Are we gonna get something fancy? Serving tables, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's use them. We all know what these things do. These are BS then if we have serving tables. I know I can just be touching the tables there, but then we're not going to. Not modern table, I want the serving table. Where's the serving table? Is it in the kitchen? New. Where is it? Function? What kind of function would it have? Conveyor needs new. Printing new. Sitting new. Table maybe. Not that I can see. Oh no, where is it? What are you? Security desk. Oh. I should get that. No. You. Serving table. I don't know why I'm laughing maniacally about it. Let's just get 3 in here. I know that one's a little bit off center. Is it off center? It's not. All right, let's see if that functions the way we want it to. All right, there goes $4 million. Okay, so the other things that we need to do is we need to start filling these spaces. People are sitting at them because switch teams. No, they have no teams. Nobody should be up here. Nobody at all should be up here. These guys are set to pass through, right? Make sure that... Yeah, I want those ones to be passed through, but you guys are overburdened. Oh, we have too big of a space up here now. Okay, well, that's easy enough. We just need to make sure that we have enough of these guys. So this is my air conditioning room. So roof AC, let's do one there. See if that if 2 more of those is enough. Is that enough? Really? Still more? Okay. throwing them randomly into random locations. How about now? That's a lot, so that should be enough. I'm gonna ignore that and hope that that is enough, because I basically almost tripled. Maybe it still isn't enough. Really? If I did this, now is it enough? Or is that just gonna stay up forever and ever? Amen. That might be the case. Let's see if we can find a spot for this guy somewhere. Doesn't seem to be the case. I think we've filled that guy up. We might have to make it all bigger again. We're gonna see if that works or not. Okay, what was I talking about? Right, the last things we want to do. I know this is basically an entire episode of us doing wacky things and not getting. Yeah, those are also gonna be there, and I hate that that exists. Let's get some stuff done. Right, and I was talking about at least making a new team. You know what? Let's do it. We're gonna do it. Manage teams. I want to do a new team of OS. Can I get that going, please? OS art / design added, and a new team of OS programming. Great. Let's give those guys some colors. Pure red and purplish. And let's start hiring people for those jobs. We're going to make them 9 to 5s. And they're going to be for up in this second level. So this team is going to be switch teams to OS art and design. Can I touch this room, please? Switch team to... Whoa, no. I don't want to bulldoze nothing. I want to switch teams to art and design. Switch teams to art and design, and switch teams to art and design. And I am obviously going to right shift and do this properly this time, so I don't have to do that BS again. There we go. Switch team to OS program. Perfect. So now it means when we go and create our teams right now, hiring employees, I want lead. I want them for yes, HR, medium, overall, personality, begin looking. This is for OS art and design. Let's find ourselves somebody who's mad skilled. Flora, you'll do a little bit of automation. You'll handle education. You are actually perfect, Flora. Hired. And then for OS programming, let's look at skill again. And you can handle hiring and improved effectiveness. Yes. And you're actually not a half-band programmer, so we're going to hire you as well. Mabel, you are hired. Are they extroverted and cocky? Not bad. They're not the end of the world. Hired. Cool, cool, cool. Let's make sure that those people are, in fact, doing their jobs before we do anything else. You are going to be changing roles to you do a little bit of programming. That's because, well, actually, no. You are art and design. Change roles. You are a leader first and foremost. You'll do a little bit of design, but you won't do anything else. And then Mabel, you do some programming. Great. Change roles. You are a leader and a programmer, but you lead first and foremost. People are leaving. That's fine. You guys don't need my deals. Okay. We should, before we do anything else as well, make sure they are set up properly. So they are going to do 12 months a year. 12 months a year. And let's see if we can do both of them at the same time. Yes, I can. HR management. Let's make this up to 21. Handle wages and complaints. Don't change the roles. Education level. Education amount. -1. No. -1. Great. So they should do all of that. I could get them to... You know what? Let's show how this works, guys. Oh, shoot. Pause. What is it that is overdue? Draw was supposed to come out in June. It is now July. I don't want to lose any more followers. So we are going to release you. Yes. Do you want to start marketing Draw? I do. I want $44,000 marketing. Do I want to order to, you have to print. Let's just order in. You know what? That's fine. I will order it in. I'm going to shrink this up here. Get it down there. Why aren't you, what is happening here? There we go. Something weird was happening. We're going to throw support up here. Something's weird's happening there. Right. Let's actually, before we do anything else, go look at our product. No, I don't want to develop software. I want to look at my product. What is my new product? Draw 20. It's outstanding. Let's start printing up to 50,000. Yes. Print sold per month. That's all perfect. We just have basically 50 in each of those. That's glorious. And I want to see if I can port you immediately. Using all of you, I'll also use OS programming. Once they get there, and let's get you to Frame OS, and you, let's get it to all these guys. And let's make this a fairly high priority. All right, go forth. What was I talking about, guys? Right, programmers. Let's get this guy doing its own hiring. So what I want in there is, we have a 24 team. So let's do 22 programmers, preferred age, salary medium, specialization any, and we'll see what they give us. There's a chance they won't give us exactly what we're looking for, and we'll have to go through and fix it. But there's also a chance that they will, actually I guess we could do specialization in, I don't care about this, and I don't care about this, I just care about those. There we go. That's the specialization they were looking for. So we're going to let them go off and do that. And in here, let's do it again. HR management. I want, so out of 24, I want 19 designers and 4 artists. Medium salary, specializations in those, I guess, well, I mean, they can't really do all of those categories. Can they? No, they can't do system or network, so we'll just do those. And we'll see how those go. Well, we can already see that the programming have done a lot of tier 2 guys, but they have a tier 3 in everything except for network. So that's how that works. Isn't that glorious? Perfect. Boom. That means that we can move Portals 4 over from, let's dismiss you. Let's assign it to not you guys. This is actually going to be OS and OS art. And I could do also night teams of that. But for right now, let's actually throw the art on that as well. Design and art, core design and art. No, not core design and art. There we go. Just program night. There we go. Cool. Love to see it. What do we want to do next? Oh, well, first and foremost, we need to get something else being designed here. We have 3D, so it would be Draw that would need to get a sequel. My release is Draw 20, make sequel. So it'll be Draw 20. It'll be Draw 2005, probably. Let's do advanced. Let's use an existing. Do I have one? Draw Wiz from 202. So yes, you can see that I do not have up to the correct tech levels there. So these might not give me much speed boost anymore. Okay, yeah. So that's really the that's really the negatives about using a framework. Although I'm still getting a speed boost of 10%, so that's great. I am going to do all of that. Let's go on to the SCM. Yes, it's not going to be an in-house. I'm going to leave the price as is. Although, you know what? $94.99. Let's make it a little bit of a deal for everybody, right? All right. Let's add Portals 4. Is Portals 4 even on there yet? It's not. Can't get it. We're doing it Frame OS 2. That's probably all we need, but let's put it on Portals 3 as well, just for the fun of it. It's all going to be gone by the time we actually get there. This is going to be for everything but core. I don't want it on... No, not OS. Core programming and core design. Yes. Cool. Development teams are the same. Yes. Okay. Develop. Yes. Go forth. Shrink you up and bring you up here. Not there. Yeah, something weird is happening with the bringing it in there. Everything is widespread there. We're still making money on you, making money on you, making 6 million on you. We have not made any money on draw because we have not sold any yet. Let's see what we make on draw before we finish off this episode, guys. Which I think we've done a lot. Look at us go. We have an entire unused floor. I do want to see... Okay, people are eating here. We have so much food. We probably have way more. Whoa. We do not have enough products to get done. Okay. Distribution. Digital distribution. Are we? Oh, yes. Distribute other people's products. Yes. That's the one thing I need to press. Software printing. Let's make this of a limit of... No, sorry. Maximum of 80,000 for right now, just because we were selling like hotcakes yesterday. We'll see if that gets us a little bit more there. We've also just been making a decent amount of money there. Let's throw a bunch of that into our savings. 35 of that, only 3 million left in there. What is our finances even looking like right now? We're still just sitting at roughly $1 million. And I mean, they don't really give us anything more than that, which is kind of weird. Okay, and we'll see where that gets us today. What are we waiting on else otherwise here? Let's maybe get these guys reviewed and iterated. I think we did this last episode, but getting them done again probably would not be a bad idea. End, iterate, end, iterate, end. All right. Do your guys' things. Cool. I am going to... I know this is probably all just... what's happening here? Is there a new thing here? Interesting. Once again, we did not meet our demands. Good Lord here, guys. How many are we selling a month? In stock, refunds, net units sold, 100? Good Lord. Okay, well, on that case, digital distribution, can I get... How many are we selling per month? We're only able to print 72,000. I mean, that's probably not going to be a crazy thing that's going to happen month after month after month. So I'm thinking like we're probably going to be fine. We're only in the second iteration there. Okay. I do want to see how many people are using this thing. It does suck that anybody that wants to use it over here will have to come over. So that is one thing. Okay, people are using it. Okay, I was worried that we didn't have this big enough. And it does seem like it is way big enough, which is great. Not even seeing more than like 1 or 2 people at a time using it, which is kind of funny. I would have expected there to be quite a few more people using it. I guess not, though. Sure, that's fine. All right, just going to get ourselves turned over to the next day, and I will end the episode there. 28 million, still not making enough copies of that product. That is so funny. Before we go anywhere else, let's just cancel support on some of these things that are unnecessary. 70,000, definitely necessary. If they have less than 10,000 people working, yeah, no, we're fine. And again, just before we leave, let's just deposit another few million in there. Deposit. Let's take a quick look at... Again, before we go anywhere else, We are now the highest worth company in the entire game. When it comes to fans, we aren't the best in the entire world, but we are getting there slowly but surely. Definitely better than some of the younger companies here. You are very young. Let's take a look at Founded here. If there are any new guys here that have anything, nope. This looks like it's just Thoreau style that has some stocks available to us. Okay, I need to stop doing this, guys. I'm gonna leave it there. Like, comment, or subscribe. Let me know if you also want to be in the game. Oh, wait. On that note, I am so sorry there, buddy. Let's get you in the game here. People. Years. Oh, I actually didn't fix this either. Oh, that's because these are all the hired people. Okay, no. Change roles. Programmer and service secondary for all of you. And then where are all my design? Oh, I bet they weren't. Wait. Change roles. Not artist. There we go. I'm going to make Flora Sanders. Details into change name. So you wanted Vegreless Pallor X. You want it to be Laser X. Laser X. You are now the boss of, what are you the boss of? The Art and Design OS team. Boom. Cool. And I bet you what that means is, if I go and look at my teams, this guy's boss probably doesn't have the capability of doing this. Which would mean, if I wanted him to do that, I would need to find somebody of the right skill level. But we're going to do that next episode. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode of Software Inc. Bye, everybody.